So a real quick video here, just because I bumped into this deal today at Home Depot. These are 2 Coast headlamps, and the cool thing about this is, number one, they can do the 3 different brightnesses. Let me see if I can do it. Yep, 1, very bright, kind of bright, a little bright. It also has the zooming feature, so if you twist the little thing here, there we go. As you can see, kind of see, let's go up here, there we go, you get the idea. It has the little zoom function, and then the best part of this headlamp is that it does red and green. And you know how much I like the red and greens, but yeah, let's see if I can go over here. It's pretty bright in here, but you get the idea. It's a pretty decent lamp, just definitely bright enough to see in the cockpit. So if you're interested in a headlamp, you get 2 of them. Put one in your plane, put one in your car, or put both in your plane. That way you won't get the night blindness by using the red and white lights, or the red and green lights rather. If I see anything else out there, I'll make a little video, but I thought this was pretty nifty, and some of you out there might appreciate it. So have a good one. Stay thrifty.